Good morning. Hello? You know it's too early to be up when Ryan won't get up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, a big stretch and a yawn. Good morning, honey. Will it help you get up if I tell you you're going to Grandpa's? Ryan, will it help you get up if I tell you you're going to Grandpa's house? You gonna see Roscoe? No, you're too sleepy. You don't care about anything. You're too sleepy and you don't care about anything. I love you. You're sweet. All right, sleepyhead. Lulu, what are you screaming about? You saying good morning? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. So, I am just about ready to leave for the trade show we are doing. And yeah, that's about as exciting as it gets. I will probably end up getting Starbucks today because I'm so tired. So I will see you either in the car or in the Starbucks line. Oh, wow, you put it on. Hey, you tricked me. You put it on. Don't do that. You put it on really fast and you took it off. That's cheating. So, I'm a little worried about Ryan this morning. He wouldn't eat his good morning treat. I tried a few different kinds and he didn't want any treats. And if there's anything that's unlike Ryan, it's refusing any kind of food. He will do anything for treats or food. Is your tummy okay? Yeah. Ow. You don't gotta punch me. Are you feeling okay, honey? We are back again. Time to walk. Tell your friends. Oh shoot!
Oh! 5 plates, 6 coffees.
Looks so good.
10 waters.
Bring it back. All their cars currently come with. Are you doing it? Tires. Are you swimming? The point is, you've got 7 days to
Just drop him in.
go get it. Priorities.
He's confused.
He's like, what the hell are you doing?
Like, why are you in the water?
Confused.
Come on, get off her.
Would you like breakfast? Do you want to go in the car and get some breakfast? What about you, Ryan? Do you want to go in the car and get some breakfast? I love you. You're very cute. Are you going to be good at the restaurant? Are you going to be a good boy? Kona, are you going to be a good girl? Are you going to be a good girl? Ah! Attack of the Ryan. You good girl. What a good girl. Good morning, guys. Me and Ryan are here. We had a long weekend. We weren't home pretty much at all. So Ryan was up to a lot of things. He went out to breakfast. He went swimming. And we just kind of had a crazy weekend. We were busy the whole time. So I'm going to piece it all together into one vlog. So this is kind of a good night from last night and a good morning start of the week. It's Monday and it's time to get the week going. So I will get up that vlog of the weekend hopefully tonight. And I will see you later.